Hey, what's up, Lisa Ad Space? This is Lewis Jordan here, the Thoughtful Digital Marketer, coming at you because probably you're on this page because you're clicking through some of the ads here and trying to build up some credits probably so you could send out a solo ad. So you can get some more leads to your page and possibly build your list and make some sales. What I wanted to talk to you today is about this product that I've been using that's been helping me make my list more responsive. I know a lot of times we talk about building our list and we're promoting our offers and we're building our list, but besides building your list, there's more to it. I don't know, a lot of people may not be aware that there's a difference between list building and email marketing. There's all of a sudden, you can promote your product and put it in different places and get more people on your list. But once you get those people on your list, how are you communicating with them? And just putting them on an autoresponder and sending a canned message that you may have gotten from your upline or from some swipes or someplace doesn't always cut it. There is a way that you have to create hooks, promotions or promos, and also take your particular product and bring that product into real world situations, current events, things that are happening now that people can relate to, maybe just day-to-day activities in their life that they are experiencing, and you bring your product into those situations that helps make that product more realistic to your list, and thus making the list more responsive and thus creating more sales. I know a lot of times we buy solo ads. The holy grail of solo ads for most marketers is just to break even. Just if they spend $50 on their solo ads, well, if they can get enough sales to on the front end to at least break even, get that $50 back, and then over time they're going to make their sales by having them on their list. Well, a lot of times just having the people on your list doesn't help. And if you got autoresponders, Aweber, Get Response, they charge you for more people that you have on the list. So this particular system that I've been using, I've been seeing some drastic improvements in the responsiveness of my list by the particular product and how they constructed this particular offer. So they call it $250 online every day. So it's kind of a clickbaity thing, a catchy title, if you will. This is a bonus page. Once you click on the link below this video, it's going to take you to this bonus page. But what I wanted to show you is a little bit about this particular product. Here, once you get it, there's several videos in here. I won't go through the videos because the bonus page is going to go over it. But this is the video that I wanted to highlight. It's called the Hook Swipe Profit Formula. And once you click in here, there's a download sheet here. This is the sheet. And this particular sheet goes into crafting all of your emails. So this is again the product, $250 online every day by Cameron and Kenny. And the bonus page is going to show you all that. And I'm going to include some free bonuses if you pick this up through my link. But this is the thing that I really wanted to highlight, because you're on here marketing on Lisa Ad Space, you're trying to drive traffic to your offer. And once you get people on your list, it's so important on how you communicate with those people, the people that hit your list, your subscribers, that you want to be able to craft particular broadcasts. I'm not saying get rid of your autoresponders, that's what you have, but your broadcast that you want to create promotions or promos. You want to bring that product into a realistic or real life situation. This particular product is going to help you craft those emails that have subject lines that are more responsive, and then from the subject line take you into the hook. So the hook swipe profit. The hook is what, once they click past the subject line, there's a hook. There's something that grabs them, that makes them want to continue and read your email, and thus after they read your email, they want to click the link and see what the product is all about. So this system goes through how to do that. So they have some case studies on how they've been, how they use this particular system, and this is primarily for affiliate marketing, using like Warrior products and JV Zoo products. Doesn't matter. We're offering something. If you're offering those products, cool. This will help. If you have a primary business that's in your upline, in your network marketing business, this will help you as well. The key is learning how to make your list more responsive. So I would say go ahead and check this product out. It's very inexpensive. It's like $5.95. but I've gotten so much value out of this. Is way more than the $5.95. It's just going to help make your list, because you already have a list. It's going to help make your list more responsive, and it's going to show you how to create and craft those promos, those emails that is going to get more leads into your business. So go ahead and click the link. Go ahead and take a look at the bonus video and check it out. See what the review video, check that out and see what you think of it, and go ahead and give it a try. You won't regret it. This is Louis Jordan signing off.